Okay. All right. So, we're gonna get started with a really like low pressure activity, and you'll do this on your own, and then I'll give you time to work with your partner. And I'll put you into a breakout group so you can kind of do that together. Um, and yeah, so the way this works is just imagine that there is a very friendly and gentle co-op game that is based on your relationship. So, Brian, you want to say a little bit about what we mean by co-op game?
So a co-op game is just a cooperative game. So any game that you're working together towards a shared goal.
Yeah. So I'm going to go through three categories and I'll screen share the categories. And for each of the categories, you'll choose an option in it. And there's options. If none of those fit, you want to come up with your own, that's totally fine too. That feels the most true or fun for your relationship right now. So it could either be something that's literally true or that, hey, that could be fun. What would that be like? Um, are there any questions about that, about what I'm asking you to do at all? No. Okay. And if something comes up, feel free to ask. So let me get this up. So the first category is, and can everybody see this?
Yes.
Okay, okay, cool. So what is the vibe of this game? This co-op game that's based on your relationship. And so you can think about that as kind of being a metaphor for the energy of your relationship. So, it could be one of these, or if none of these sound right and you're like, oh, there's this other one that totally fits better, that's fine. You can absolutely make up your own. This is just to kind of give you an idea. So I'll give you about a minute or so to kind of think about, and you can write it down, you can just hold it in your mind. You don't have to do anything. You can just kind of sit and absorb whatever you want to do. And then the next category is your team trait. So in this game that's based on your relationship, what is kind of that team trait? And you can think about this as coming from some element of your relationship, using your relationship as an inspiration for that team trait in this game. So it could be something on this list. These are just ideas, and you can certainly always come up with your own. And then the third category is a shared special ability. So you can think about this as a relationship strength that in the context of a game might be some kind of a special ability that that duo has. So, like something like calm aura might come from, being really even keel, low key, staying calm under pressure, emotional divination, right? Just being really attuned to one another. So I'll give you about another minute for that part too. All right. And now I'm kind of compare and contrast with your partner, like sharing with each other which options you each chose, and why, or just, you can just kind of silently reflect on that too. And same